At the end of this lesson, you will be able to create ingest budgets using Sumo Logic. I am in Sumo Logic, and from the collection page, I select Ingest Budgets. From here, I see existing ingest budgets and can create new ones. To create a new one, click Add Budget. Now we will define our new ingest budget. First, we will give the ingest budget a name. For this demonstration, we're going to create an ingest budget to monitor and control QA log data ingestion, so I will enter the display name as QA. Next, I will enter a field value. This is a custom value used to assign collectors to the ingest budget. I will use QA_30_GB to represent that this budget is for QA and 30 GB of space will be allocated. For the description, I can provide a short summary of what this budget is being used for. I will enter a 30 GB allocation for QA projects. Next is allocated capacity, which is the maximum amount of data permitted, calculated in bytes. I will enter 30 as the amount and select GB from the unit pull-down. I need to decide when I want the ingest budget to reset each day. In this case, I will stick with the default settings of time as 12 AM and UTC as the time zone. The next step is the most important with regards to ingest budgets. What do I want Sumo Logic to do with data that exceeds our allocated capacity? I can select Stop Collecting or Keep Collecting. With Keep Collecting, ingestion continues like normal. For this example, I will define the action when capacity reached as Stop Collecting, so Sumo Logic will not ingest any more data from collectors associated with this ingest budget if the QA data reaches 30 GB. At the start of the next day, which is 12 AM, the budget will reset and ingesting will resume. The last step is setting up the audit threshold, which is a percentage of when an ingest budget's capacity usage will be logged in the audit index. You can use the default of 85 or create your own custom percentage. I will use the default. Finally, I click Add, and the new ingest budget is created successfully. We hope this video helps you to create ingest budgets in Sumo Logic. Thank you for joining.